Naglagay ako ng watermelon at saka grapes. Halos naubos na din kahapon yung pagkain niya.
Hearts connect, we rise above, together strong, with family.
Actually, no, let's just land it. But cut in the room, okay?
Laro na kami. Magluto ako ng babaunin ni Kira sa school. Mag-8 pa lang. Nakakain na din siya ng breakfast. Kunti lang naman yung lutuin ko. Naluto ko na din yung pasta. Ito yung pasta. Tapos ito, binabad ko siya sa mainit na tubig. Para pag niluto na yung pagkain at nilagay ko na, mainit na yung loob niya. Konting salt. Yan ang milk. May maingay kasi nag-washing ako. So, ito na yung baong niya. Naglagay ako ng watermelon at saka grapes. Crisp. And then, Oreo. Kahapon to, hindi niya nakain. Kasi nga may baon siya kahapon. Siguro nabusog siya. Kaya hindi niya nakain. Which is good kasi kinain niya talaga yung pagkain niya na pang lunch talaga. Extra cheese. Kahapon sabi niya yung pagkain daw sa school is macaroni cheese. Yun yung mababayad ka. Gusto niya pagkain sa school is yung every Friday. Kasi ano yun, chicken nuggets or fish fingers, mga ganun. Yan siya. Okay, lagay na natin. Dapat takpan agad siya. Halos naubos niyo din kahapon yung pagkain niya. Okay. Okay, yan. Tapos, yan na siya. So, i-wipe natin yung gilid. Yeah. Yan na siya. So, lagay natin sa kanyang baona.
Small house on a hill, we chase dreams with no chill. Laughter echoes down the hall. But
Man sucks. That's not fair. He's like the only friend who actually gets me. You're so mean, Night Ellie. Here, I need to talk to you. Listen here, buddy. My sister likes you as a friend. We've been in the same house for the last 10 days. And it's probably hard when we're not an even number. Like when you tell us, yeah, it's always me. You always want pizza.
Oh, done. Go and brush your teeth na, darling. Brush your teeth. So, ready na yung mommy. 10:30 na. Ako na naman yung mag-ready ngayon, no? Kasi may pasok ako. Doon lang naman ako sa aking fish and chips. So, yeah. So, mag-vlog na lang ako mamaya pag nakauwi na ako kasi wala na akong gagawin. Mamaya mag-vacuum ako pag nakauwi. Or mag-vacuum na lang siguro ako ngayon. May time pa naman ako. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-vacuum kahapon. Kaya mag-vacuum ako today. Definitely. So yeah. Nagkilay lang ako. Dito lang yung kinilayan ko sa gilid ba. Tapos syempre nag-sunscreen kasi si Mr. Sun lumabas today. Which is good. Hopefully busy kami sa work today, no? Kasi at least may araw. Kasi pag ganito, kasi pag maulan, syempre walang customer kasi ayaw lumabas. Walang gustong lumabas pag ulan. At least ngayon, dry, tapos lumabas si Mr. Sun. So yeah, maglinis muna tayo ng sahig. Ayo, puno na. Kailangan ko na siyang i-empty. Minsan nakakalimutan ko kung paano ito tanggalin. Wait lang.
In our small house on a hill, we chase dreams with no chill. Laughter echoes down the hall. Love's the biggest, never small. With coffee spills, pillow fights, and windowsills. Kids run wild in the yard. Life is good, it ain't too hard. Little family, we've got it all. Through the highs and through the falls, hand in hand, we walk the line. In this life, you're always mine. My little family, we've got it all. Through the highs and through the falls, hand in hand, we walk the line. In this life, you're always mine.
So, magluto na tayo ng dinner. Magpa-5 pa lang. Si Kira wala dito. Nandun sa lola at lolo niya. So, igisa ko muna yung sibuyas at saka bawang. Wala akong minced beef. Nakalimutan ko. Siya. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng pasta sauce. Hindi ako magpapasta. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo pag natapos. Salad, cucumber, tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng honey and mustard na dressing. Ito yung beef. So, luto na yung beef. Ilagay natin yung pasta sauce. Ito yung ginamit kong brand. Parang si Kira yung nakikita ko. Yung lola niya nag-drop. Kasi nga, hindi makadrive yung lolo niya. 6 months. Okay? So, hayaan ko lang yan. So, ito na yung aming dinner. Si Kira tapos na. Yung sa kanya is yung gammon, broccoli, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng rice. Yun yung dinner niya. Kain tayo! Kain muna kami. See you after!
They have to try land it on their colour. So I'm the colour green, my mum's pink. Actually, no, let's just land it.
Yeah.
Mom, restart. That was my telly.
Sorry, darling.
You don't even have a telly behind you. You have my Therian dead behind you. Yeah, my Therian dead behind you, which is important. Haha. Tell me when you want to swap games.
Swap games.
Now?
Yeah.
What game we play next? Too tight.
No, I think it's okay, darling.
That's better. Oh, my nose. One hand only. Because it makes you lose your
I put the
grip.
washing on. I
Because it
think,
makes you lose your grip because you're
I
slippery.
think the washing is done in 20 minutes.
It makes you slip because it's slippery. Mum, so you have to go like catch, dun dun, okay?
Fail.
You have to catch with your bad hand. Mum. So we're going to make this as small as we can. Then we're going to place it over there. Then move back over to the wall. So that's new. I built that myself.
No, this one. That one.
No, that's not new. I got that last Christmas.
I didn't realise.
Not last year. 2024. No, 2023. Yeah, that's correct. So what are we going to do now?
Let's play that block game. I love that game.
Can we use your phone?
Oh, I'm charging.
Bye. Bye guys. So we're playing Block Blast.
Laro muna kami. Dito muna siya. Maaga pa naman. Mag-8 pa lang.
So we're... Oh god, why did I put it there? Oh, never mind.
I-end ko na dito yung vlog kasi maglaro na kami ni Kirang. Mamaya na yan siya pupunta sa kwarto niya. So yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye, guys.